One must have a reasonable optimism. It is the force that makes the world go.
What is it about giving that creates such a strong community? Why is the desire to give back so contagious? When we give, we're not just sharing our time and talents, we're passing our enthusiasm for giving to the next person. When you're excited about giving, it goes beyond you and encourages others to give as well. Giving with enthusiasm means giving more than the gift itself.
You can give to others by doing something kind for them.
You can give somebody advice.
Sometimes people's presence is a gift.
Dedicate your time.
Playing with someone.
Helping a classmate.
There's a lot of different ways to give back.
It can be pretty much anything.
It feels good when you can give back to people and see like the smiles on people's faces, or like it just kind of like warms your heart.
It's important to give so you don't just care about yourself all the time.
Since I'm giving so much, I just want to pay it forward to other people.
The gift that Milton Hershey gave really did inspire me to start giving back to others.
Milton Hershey gave us stuff, so why not give to other people?
I think any good example inspires others.
When you give, you can be enthusiastic by being excited about doing something for someone else.
Being enthusiastic about giving is the best way to give, because that means that you're coming from a place of happiness where you really want to share what you have with someone else.